6 a.m. rise up with the sun. Rise of love, you know we do it for fun. Cause in the light shining on this via combines. It's truly an experience that is one of a kind. The true nature of light, he and me. Like a thousand feelings inside you and me. See? Nah, you don't see. Because it's vibrating on a different frequency. But that don't mean that we can't interact. And that don't mean that we can ignore facts. Cause the truth is, it is no truth. We just wanted to say, not feeling in your heart. But I said that don't mean that we can't interact. And that don't mean that we can ignore facts. Cause the truth is, it is no truth. We just wanted to say, not feeling in your heart. But truth it goes. Come on guys, clap along. Of the universe is all in your feet. I call it love, call it God, whatever you want to. As long as it has a positive influence on you, meditate or pray. Love or hate, how did we get here? Coincidence or fate? Speak up loud, explore the unknown. Be positive in life and let your dreams flow. Cause it works for me, it may not work for you. And that's because everyone is different to you. But in the contradiction that is always the same. We don't differ but we wanted the same. Because it works for me, it may not work for you. And that's because everyone is different to you. But in the contradiction that is always the same. We don't differ but we wanted the same. It goes. Yeah. Come on, Peter, right? Woo! Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Let's go. Let it flow, let it flow, yeah. Let it rain, let it rain. Stand up with me. Let the world see how beautiful you are. Being all you can be. Stand up with me. Let all the world see how beautiful you are. I'm being all you can be. Let it free, yeah. Let it flow, yeah.
Kelly, what did you think of the performance tonight?
I think that song really showed you off individually as well, you know, aside from how well you work together. Because I think for you, that's where you sit the best, I think. You know when you're belting on the top end of your chest?
Right.
That proper sort of like dancey vocal. So that just showed you off to your best. And your rap was so sort of like melodic, and I loved the lyrics. I thought that really worked really well. And I loved that when you were doing your part, you worked the crowd, and when you were doing your part, you worked the crowd. You've just got such great chemistry, and it's always such a buzz to watch you both. I thought it was fantastic. Well done.
Louise?
Yeah, guys, that was, I mean, in my opinion, I think that was a massive leap from last week in the right direction. I really enjoyed it. I thought the song had really good vibes. It was a proper, like, go-getter song, like, getting everyone involved. I loved that. I also like that you took on the advice that we gave you last week about the kind of more of like a call and response thingy on the chorus. So you shone a lot more vocally, and you coming in on just those little bits instead of having so much in unison really allowed you to shine as well as you, if that makes sense. And it did work so much better. So well done for taking that on board. But yeah, I enjoyed it. I really did enjoy it. I still think that there's a lot more that you can do, and I'm excited to see you bring that throughout the process. So well done.
Katie Vibez, it was definitely a step back up from last week, in my eyes. It was definitely a step back forward in terms of the performance and how you presented yourself tonight. it was probably the best I've seen in terms of that, because your confidence really came out in this, especially with you, Kel. Like, your confidence came out moving out forward now, so that all added. On the other hand, the first couple of weeks of being in this, you were getting standing ovations, bum, 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 bum. And then last week you didn't, all right? And I know it sounds quite thing, but I'm picking it up because I want you to have the best of what you had. And I think what's happening, like, in terms of vocally then, Kel, like, the choruses on that then, to me, was shouty. Very, very shouty. And, like, it was because she was pushing so much. The song was good, and I loved the energy of the song and everything like that. But them choruses, they were like really shouty, to the point where I was watching, I was thinking, can she feel that she's putting a lot too much pressure here? And that's what I could see, you know. But other than that, it was still a step forward from last week. But I need to get that connection that I had in them first couple of weeks, because at the moment that's not 100% there anymore. And I know it is capable of being there, but you've got to, there's something that's, I'm not sure what it is. I think maybe it was the choruses that maybe put me off a little bit then. I don't know what it was. The rapping I loved the song itself, everything about it. But that put it off a little bit. But I look, at the end of the day, these themes are here for a reason. This is up-tempo week. I wanted to see more of a performance from you this week, and I got that. So well done to you both.